so my name is Keisha and welcome to My Mommy Made a Garden. So today I want to go over a couple of things about lemongrass. So down here in sunny South Florida, zone 11, it can get to be really hot, okay, and really humid. Our humidity is not like the other parts of the country. Unless you're like in Hawaii, we are actually in zone 11. Okay, so the United States does have a small area that is zone 11, and down here in zone 11, it gets extremely hot and extremely humid. So things like lemongrass and some other herbs do very well here. If you love Thai food, if you like making your own fresh herbal teas, lemongrass is a great option for you. So all you need to do is have your own lemongrass. Is either go to the store and buy a pot of lemongrass. Actually, I think I got mine from Walmart last year in the nursery section. Or you can even go to the grocery store and buy lemongrass stalks and take those stalks, you can root them into water and then those plants into soil to grow your own lemongrass. The fun part about this is that you are able to watch it grow. In our climate, it grows so well. You need to have a nice sunny spot, give it plenty of water, and you will be harvesting lemongrass for everyone in your neighborhood. I've had my lemongrass plant for a year and a half now, no problems, unless I try to take the plant and up pot it or split it. I try to split the plant to move it from one area to another. Oftentimes I do lose a significant amount, but it grows so fast that it ends up recovering. So I had one plant that is now actually divided into 1, 2, 3, 4. I've divided that plant into 4 plants. Each of them is doing well. One of them is now struggling a little bit because I tried to dig it up in one of my repurposing a bed. Beyond its incredible aroma, because it smells amazing, lemongrass packs a lot of health benefits. From my research that I have seen, it's supposed to have some antioxidants in it, and these are supposed to help protect from cell damage. It also has been used as a digestive aid. Also dealing with anti-inflammatory properties. So if you have some muscle aches, it may help to reduce inflammation in your body. It also can help to reduce anxiety and stress. And people also take the lemongrass and they put it into their bath water as well and use that as an aromatic aromatherapy. Also thought to have antimicrobial benefits, so it can help ward off bacteria and fungus. 5 uses for lemongrass. My personal favorite is herbal tea. Okay, so I actually have my lemongrass tea here. So what I do is I take my lemongrass and I boil it with ginger and add a little sugar or add some honey to it, and it's delicious. Okay, so that is my #1 go-to. You can also add it to your stir fries or any other Asian type cuisines. I've also put it into my Thai lettuce wraps. Those have been delicious as well. It is thought to repel insects such as like mosquitoes. I still have mosquitoes in my garden, I'm not gonna lie to you. So that one I'm not sure about. Maybe somewhere else, maybe it deters some of them. Possibly if you're cutting it fresh and that scent is really in the air, it's pungent in the air, it probably does help to detract them. But as far as just having it just there in the garden, you still have some, you will have mosquitoes, no doubt about it. You can also use it in marinades and rubs for chickens, fish, and tofu. And as I said earlier, you can put it into your bath water. Lemongrass can be stored in the freezer. You can dry it, as I'm doing here in this bundle. And you can also put it into, oils. I love the way it looks. It's nice and bushy. It looks so pretty in the garden, the entryway inside of the beds. So whether you are trying to find something that can grow in our climate, or you're just looking for something that you know is going to provide you with some herbal benefits that you can use on a regular basis, go ahead and try out some lemongrass in your garden. Please let me know in the comments how it works for you. Let me know how you use lemongrass. Subscribe for more gardening insights and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. And thank you so much.